Good evening, konbanwa. As you can see, I'm currently disassembling the Mason. The reason for that you will probably see in the next couple of videos. As I was disassembling this one, I remembered I did a pretty simple hack to keep the rear brake hose from rattling inside the frame. And I thought I would just show how I did that. Maybe someone will find it useful. It's super simple and it's very ugly, but since you don't see anything inside, it doesn't really matter. You can probably do it from material you have already, especially if you have bought a bike or something that came with some kind of packaging. Let's see if I can manage to pull everything out. That will probably make more sense. A bonus tip: you usually only cut the hoses once you remove everything, but when you do, if you just cut one end, the brake fluid won't be able to pour out since the other end doesn't let any air in. So there still will be a few drops here and there, but a minimal amount of oil spillage inside the frame. At least that's what I'm hedging my bets on. In my case, I will cut the hose around the handlebars. Just put a bit of tissue there to take up the few extra drops that's coming. Oh, let's see here. So just gonna try to remove the hose now. And here you see the start of my little rattle. This is the strip of packing foam I used to keep the hose from rattling inside the frame. Pretty simple, just to show you exactly where this foam came from. It actually came with the Mason frame as like a frame protecting foam thingamajig. So just cut the strip from this. So basically, as you thread the hose from the caliper, you take out the hose there, and when you feed it up into the down tube, you basically thread the hose through the foam in like zigzagging through the foam. So in the frame, simply look like this. So just by having this strip of foam, it's about 35 centimeters long, like just zigzagging 3 times along the hose. Like I said, it's not pretty, but it's been very effective, so hopefully it might help someone get rid of that noise. Only problem is you need to put this on as you install the system. You can't really do it afterwards unless you want to cut the wires and do it all over again. Depending on how big your bottom bracket is, you might be able to just use same kind of foam and use some zip ties and just do something like this. Probably work as well. In my case, the opening in the down tube is too small, so I couldn't like fit this in. Somehow I managed to get it in by using, well, this method. That's it. And like I said, the reason for stripping this down is going to be apparent in the next few videos, so stay tuned and ride safe and drink a lot of water.